In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an event in Reddit. Scheduling events is a great way to organize content ahead of time, especially if you're managing a community or planning regular posts. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process in a clear and simple way, so you can feel confident using Reddit's built-in tools. First, make sure you're logged into Reddit and that you have moderator access in the subreddit where you want to schedule the event. Only moderators can see and use the moderation tools we're about to use, so if you don't see them, you may need to switch to an account with the correct permissions. Once you're on the subreddit's main page, look for the option called Mod Tools. This is usually found in the sidebar on desktop or in the menu if you're on mobile. Go ahead and click on Mod Tools. This will open the moderation dashboard, which is where you can manage posts, users, and in this case, scheduled content. Inside the Mod Tools dashboard, look for the section labeled something like Schedule Post and Events or Scheduled Posts. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on Reddit's current layout, but it will clearly refer to scheduling posts or events. Click on Schedule Post and Events. After you click, Reddit will open a form where you can create your scheduled post. Here you'll be able to set up all the main details of your event. Enter a clear and descriptive title so that users immediately understand what the event is about. If your subreddit uses post flares or specific rules for events, make sure to choose the correct flare and follow any formatting guidelines your community requires. In the body or text area, describe your event. Include important information like what the event is, when it will take place, and any instructions for participants. Even though you're scheduling it, remember that this is what users will see once it goes live, so write it as if it's a normal post. Next, choose the date and time when you want the post to go live. Double check your time zone to avoid confusion. It's a good idea to review all the details one more time: the title, the text, and the scheduled time. When everything looks correct, confirm or save your scheduled event. Reddit will now handle the rest and automatically publish the event at the time you selected.